Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Need help with a Temu order? Let's quickly show you how to start a live chat with customer support. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then open the Temu application. After that, at the below, you will find the U section, which is your profile. Your profile will open and make sure you watch till the end. After that, you'll see the gear setting icon at the top left side, top right side. Then you'll find the help center next to it. Click on it. After you have opened, you can see the option called contact us. Click on it. Then you can start the live chat. Enter your order number and clearly explain your issue or faster resolution. For faster resolution, you can also provide the photo from your gallery. And that's it. Live chatting with Temu is quick and easy. Like, subscribe and keep this video handy for your next Temu support question. And I will see you in the next one.